Here we have a Goodman and a Rheem running. They're both very quiet. Goodman. And here's a 2010 Rheem. Model numbers GSX140 241KA. Serial number is 15014130103. It's been in 2015. And I believe it's got RS22, I'm not really sure. That's a 13th year. Now we have a 2010 Rheem that's running. Model number 13AJ M24A01. Serial number is 8030W30100266767. It's been in the 30th week of 2010, and it just shut off. This guy's a straight queen in it. It's good as a heap. Down here's his Rheem. It's got R15A refrigerant. Right here we have a Rheem corsair unit and a Nordyne. They're both currently off. Nordyne's it's got a Bristol right down there. Bristol. Model number is JS3BC-024KA. It's a 2-ton from the 30th week of 2005. So yeah, that's it. That's that. And we have a 2006 Rheem corsair unit, which is also a straight cool unit. But I believe it's a Bristol reciprocating compressor. Model number is 13AJ824A01. It's a 13th year from the 7th week of 2006. Right there's this Rheem corsair series unit. So it might be a second time I filmed these units. That one, you can fade it away if you want. And your fingers might get dirty from that. 2005 Nordyne 2-ton. 2006 Rheem corsair. 2015 Goodman heat pump. And a 2010 Rheem straight cool unit. Goodman, the Rheem was running, but shut off. And the Goodman's running. The only one running. Over and out.